So this is how you can turn on motion sickness mode on your iPhone. It's actually very easy. Let's go on ahead and open up settings and then scroll down to accessibility. Now, under vision, you're going to want to tap on motion and then tap on show vehicle motion cues. Now, if this is automatic, make sure that it is turned on so that you can see the motion sickness cues. As you can see, if we move to the left, it's going to move the circles to the right, and if we move to the right, it's going to move the circles to the other side. This can help people with their sickness motion and basically reduce any kind of sickness whenever you are in any kind of vehicle. As you can see, the description says automatically shows the dots when the vehicle motion is detected and hides them when the motion stops. Only shows the dots until you turn them off. So, if you have motion sickness, this will be a very good feature for you. As you can see, if you're going fast, there will be many more dots, and if it's slow, it's going to slow down the dots. So, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope this motion sickness mode helped you. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.